The British Supreme Court ruled on Wednesday that Scotland does not have the power to hold a new referendum on independence without the approval of the UK Parliament. The judgment is a setback for the Scottish government's campaign to break away from the United Kingdom. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak said he welcomes the clear and definitive ruling of the Supreme Court. Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon expressed disappointment at the decision, but said she respected the court's ruling. Sturgeon also reiterated her pro-independence Scottish National Party would use the next general election as a de facto referendum on Scottish independence. In the first referendum on independence in 2014, 55% of Scottish voters chose to remain part of UK.
The recent UK Supreme Court decision is in respect of an application seeking clarification about the constitutional position as to whether or not the Scottish Government can hold a further referendum on independence. I think it's important to put in context that the 2014 referendum was held before the Brexit referendum, and therefore people in Scotland understood that they would remain within the EU, whereas leaving the UK on independence would have meant us leaving the EU. That, however, changed with the Brexit vote in the UK. Scotland, however, voted 60% to stay in the EU. Therefore, the context of the request to consider whether or not Scotland can hold a second referendum is in that context. At the moment, the Scottish Government does not have that mandate from the people of Scotland. So without that mandate, I don't think the Scottish Government could act, because at the moment all of the referendum or the polls of late suggest it's very, very close. With a majority in favour of no, just a very slight majority. So I don't think at the moment the Scottish Government or the SNP, to be precise, have the mandate. And the judgment makes it very clear that the question being posed actually was fundamental to the sovereignty of the UK Parliament. And it wasn't simply holding another referendum for information, it would have political consequences. I think there are too many other factors for the people in Scotland who are the people who will make the decision, not the Scottish Government, not the SNP party.
I do want a referendum myself, yeah. And I expect I would vote to leave the UK, I would expect, but I would need to do more research before making that call. But I think we have the right to make that call, so that's why I would support the referendum in the first place, yeah.
I don't want Scottish independence. I think it'll be the exact same as last time. It would be a no to the referendum, and I don't think anyone's views really changed apart from SNPs just want to try and push it through. I'm confident in the British government, and I think that Nicola and SNPs just need to actually do something for the country.